you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box and the Mother Earth wrap club to show you for February. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, February 2023 manifestation box and Mother Earth wrap club just arrived by Gogh Jewelry Design. Oh my gosh, you guys, I completely forgot to mention, I was so excited to dive in. These were both sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Gogh Jewelry Design, for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Every single month, I'm always so excited to see what crystals are going to be in there, what the bracelets look like, the necklaces, all of that. I absolutely love these two boxes right about here. Let's go ahead and start with the manifestation box, and then we'll dive into the Mother Earth wrap club. So this is how it comes in this beautiful blue box, manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. Manifest the life you want to live. Definitely. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like down inside. There is a card right on top from the owner, and it says, Tracy, remember you are deserving of love and care, especially from yourself. Take time to do things that make you happy. Definitely, life is too short to always be doing things that do not make you happy. When you open it up, it's a cute little heart, festive for this month for Valentine's Day. So when we open that up, that is what it looks like down inside. So with the manifestation box, you get quite a few things. So let's go over that. The first thing that you do get is two different manifestation cards. One of them is for you to gift if you would like, and one is for you to keep, but you always do get two of them. This is for this month, and it says, the way you treat yourself sets the standards for others. Yes, it does. Every single month they are different. So this is for February. With this one, you also get a paper that you can go over, and this is what we would be like the practice for this month. So this month it says, learn to love yourself. Know your self-worth. So you get this whole thing to go through and to read. It's literally front and back, but it will give you pointers on the monthly theme for what we'll be working with for that month. So you can sit down and read all of that. They also give you one for your astrology, and that's why I really love this box, because it's really tailored for you. So when you do sign up, you tell them your wrist size, your neck size, the length of the necklaces that you would like, and you tell them your zodiac sign. So I am a Scorpio. So this is my astrology for Scorpio for the month of February. So I can sit down and read this, and that is just on my own astrology. I love that. And also you get a bracelet, a necklace, and a healing crystal for the month. And this is the first time I've seen this dark blue bag. Oh my gosh, I love that color. That is so cute. These are reusable. You can always reuse them, or you can store your bracelets inside of them to protect them. So you can do that, and you can always hang them by these little handles, whatever you would like. So let's go ahead and dive in, and let's see what is all inside of here. So in here we have the bracelet, and then we have the healing crystal for the month. This is super pretty. I love that deep blue. And then I think that might be clear quartz right on top. This is theirs from a few, was this last month or the month before? I can't remember. I have so many of these, and literally every day, whatever I put on, I look through all my stuff from the regular bracelets to the wrap bracelets and see what matches, and that's what I wear. Sometimes I wear multiple, sometimes it's just one, but today this is the one that I chose to wear. So let me stick this on this hand just so I can show you this one. So that's what it looks like. You do have the clear quartz right on top, which I think it is. But the good thing about this one, they give you these amazing cards. They go over the different crystals, or like if you have something hanging, it'll tell you about that. So for this one, we do have, it's rose quartz. Oh, okay, now I'm seeing a slight pinkish color tint to it. I thought it was clear quartz. It is rose quartz. So this one says, rose quartz is an excellent heart healing gemstone. It is a nature remedy that can be used for treating any issues that needs emotional healing. It is a pink colored crystal that carries a very gentle and soothing energy and gives comfort to anyone whose heart has been wounded. And then the blue on here is lapis lazuli. I'm not quite sure, but that is what it says. It's a symbol of truth, as it brought you to see yourself for what you really are, and at the same time helps you to accept those parts of yourself that you may see as undesirable. It is very well known for its purifying and healing abilities. On the elemental side, it is known as the water stone. So again, you have the rose quartz and you have this one, and that's what makes up the bracelet for this month. And again, you tell them your wrist size, so it will come customized for your wrist. So there's that. Now the healing crystal for this month, this is beautiful. Is that like that watermelon tourmaline or something? No, it is a rainbow aura. That looks way different than the picture. It says rainbow aura titanium crystal quartz. To me, this looks like that watermelon something or other, but it says that it is a rainbow. But see, these look like they're more, I don't know, these look like they're like more of like a silvery, where this is what I got. So I thought this was something completely different. The spiritual meaning of titanium aura quartz is one of strength and power. It is a stone that can be used to help you find your own inner strength and to empower you to reach your full potential. That is awesome. It's just fooling me because this just is reminding me of the watermelon tourmaline or whatever that's called. I've been wanting one of those, so I think that's what's stuck in my head. But this definitely doesn't look like the picture of the rainbow. I don't know, but that is that right there. So now let's dive into the necklace. They always come in these boxes. Again, you can reuse them for anything or store them inside of them. And you do get the cards with them as well. Oh, so this one is a chakra crystal. So this is what it looks like. Chakra crystals are stones that connect to the primary 7 chakras in the human body. Chakra is the word for wheel, outlining each chakra as a spinning wheel of energy that moves in sync with each other. Let me get this one off. Now for the jewelry, like the necklaces and stuff, mainly everything is a silver base, like everything has silver chains. Every now and then you might get like a gold or a rose gold tone, but for the majority it's all silver, which I'm a silver hoe, so I love me some silver. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. And so if I were to put this one on, show you what it looks like. And again, the necklace size, the length, you get to choose when signing up. So look at how beautiful. I love that. And I love the chakra system and learning about it. So that is neat that we have a necklace for it. And then you have this bracelet and you have this healing crystal for this month, plus the cards and the astrology and all of that. So that is now everything for the manifestation box for February. So now that was everything in the manifestation box. Now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Down in this one, you will get the wrap bracelet, and then you normally get one little gift. It could be a healing crystal. It could be like a little roller ball of like some aromatherapy. It could be like some, you know, something like that. So let's see what we have. Ooh, we have a box. We have another box in here. So for this one, you do not get the astrology or the 2 different manifestation cards, that kind of thing. You just get the wrap bracelet and then the small little gift item, which would be this right here. I did get a card from the owner, and this one says, Tracy, remember to spread your wings, soar, and chase your dreams just like the hummingbird. Ooh, does that mean we're gonna have a hummingbird in with the wrap bracelet? I think so. So let's go with this. It says, as is well. From the front of it, it's a cute box. And, oh, it's a pin. How pretty. So that's how it is down inside. It has a rose gold. Of course, I would love silver, but at least it's not a yellow gold. I like that. It has this really, really cute heart on the top. It's like a 3D, like sticks out. That's really, really neat. And then you twist, yep, you twist, and the color ink on this is black. So you have this really, really pretty pin, and it says on it, all is well, with a little heart right There. That is so cool. So that is the item that you get in addition to the wrap bracelet for this month. Let's go ahead and dive in and see which one we have. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Not only is it blues, which is my favorite colors, but this is so sparkly. Look at that. And look at all the different color variations of those dark blues in there. And then the hummingbird. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that until right now. Look, you see the hummingbird? There's the hummingbird. So this one you have two cards. One that'll tell you what the hummingbird symbolizes, and then one is for the crystal that is on here. So for the hummingbird, it says, while they're tiny beings, hummingbirds pack a lot of powerful positive energy. The hummingbird symbolizes joy, healing, good luck, messages from spirits. To some, sighting a hummingbird signals that challenging times are over and healing can begin. So there's that card right there. The hummingbirds are absolutely beautiful. I've never really seen one still until recently. Somebody had captured one on video and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've never seen a hummingbird like just still before. They're always so fast and they're always on the move. But there's that. And then the crystal on here is Sodalite. Sodalite encourages rational thoughts, objectively, truth and intuition, along with verbalization or feelings. Sodalite brings emotional balance and calms panic attacks. It enhances self-esteem, self-acceptance, and self-trust. Sodalite balances the metabolism, boosts the immune system, and overcomes calcium deficiencies. That is amazing. That is a good one to wear for sure. And again, all of those shininess, that is just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me put this one on. That is absolutely beautiful. This is now one of my new favorites. I am in love with these colors, the shine. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So that is now the bracelet for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. You have the bracelet and then you have this really, really cute pin for this month. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of each one? Did you like one versus the other better? Let me know all your thoughts down below. If you want a little bit more information about this company, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off your subscription box or their online shop. You don't have to have a subscription to shop their online shop. They sell all of their amazing jewelry. They have anklets, they have necklaces, they have so many different things on their shop that you can purchase anytime, and SheCrafty will get you that 20% off. So everything will be linked down below if you would like to go check them out. If you want to do the manifestation box, that one is $39 month to month. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and 12-month plan will bring it down to $33. And again, for that one, each month practice has a theme, what we're working with, and contains a personalized gemstone bracelet, necklace, a healing crystal, 2 meditation cards, 1 to keep and 1 to gift, and your astrology forecast for the month. So for the Mother Earth Wrap Club, on that one, again, you get the wrap bracelet with some small gift with it. That one, if you do month to month, it is $39. 3 months brings it to $36. 6 months brings it down to $34. And a 12-month plan will bring it to $33. Again, everything will be linked down below. The owner also does donate, and I absolutely love that. And I always tell you guys, when a company donates and you shop through them, we're all helping each other to give back, and I absolutely love that. So she does give back, which is amazing. So you will be shopping through her and helping others as well, which is awesome. So now that is everything that I have to say about this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about each one. Which one did you like better? Did you like them both? Do you get it? Let me know. All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.